Meet clear view mirrors, the ultimate choice for towing. It's a whole new level of innovation to experience unparalleled clarity on the road. No fancy AI voice control or Skynet here, just a simple yet effective design. A mirror split into two parts, the top reflects like a standard mirror, while the slightly curved lower part offers a wider view. They've even added supports to extend the mirrors by 18 centimeters. Essential features like heating, folding and light indicators are also included. This device is ready to hit the market. As for the price, a pair of these mirrors could easily set you back over $1,000. Big news, MasterCard aims to transform cars into mobile wallets. It may sound futuristic, but it's not as daunting as it seems. The company's experts are developing the payment system of tomorrow. Picture this, a driver is on a business trip when their car alerts them about an upcoming traffic jam, offering a detour on the toll road. If the driver agrees, they simply need to glance at the camera, touch it or voice a few commands. The payment is then deducted from their linked card, account or digital wallet. No need to worry about being late. Plus, this system makes it easier to offer infotainment services to drivers. The demand is there. According to GfK stats, around 54% of respondents aged 30 to 49 are interested in this payment method. Since 2005, Magna has installed over 1 million of these systems in various cars. What makes them so popular? Well, Magna's innovation allows drivers to see 4 times farther than their headlights, thanks to an infrared camera. Plus, the system effortlessly distinguishes between pedestrians and cyclists, as well as deer and motorcyclists. Furthermore, makers of integrated automatic energy braking and a road edge classification feature, now navigating through darkness and fog is a breeze. And by the way, oncoming car headlights don't interfere with the system's operation. Meet Sam Chow. He's a fan of outdoor sleeping but dislikes the hassle of setting up camp and the high cost of motorhomes, so to camp comfortably without any fuss, Chow devised a mobile kitchen. It can hold up to 91 kilograms and unfolds to 1.85 meters. It's very convenient and is equipped with a propane stove, laminate countertops, a bamboo cutting board and more. Though the kitchen looks and functions well, the big question is, would you pay $2,500 for it? Don't know if you said no, as production is currently on hold, but if you keen, Chow offers a 3D model in SKP format for self-assembly for just $40. Missed some high-end stuff for Jeep owners? This snorkel might set you back $750, but there's a good reason why it's priced that high. Unlike typical snorkel for Jeeps, the Amphib version stands out. It's designed for 3.6 and 3.8-liter engines, it's modular and it seamlessly matches the factory finish, plus it's easy to install without the need for complicated body cutting or other tricks. The startup Inventions is developing augmented reality for cars. It's been so successful that even big manufacturers like General Motors and Hyundai Mobis have invested in it, but what sets Inventions apart is its focus on practicality, rather than flashy tech. Features like navigation, warnings about pedestrians and other info displayed on the windshield aren't new, but Inventions pay attention to the details crucial to the automotive industry. For instance, its augmented reality consumes 50% less energy than similar products. It's significant advantage considering the shift towards electric cars. Moreover, its components are easily adaptable to different car models, allowing also makers to customize the technology to fit each model or even cater to specific customer preferences. Compared to augmented reality, this hitch may seem too simple, but its creators put in significant effort too. They've developed innovative spring bars, so that the hitch can perform through 3 functions at once. It evenly distributes weight, maintains the trailer at an optimal level with the vehicle and reduces sway. The top-tier hitch is designed for trailers up to 6.8 tons, featuring forged steel spring bars and sway control at 4 points. At $940 its price may raise eyebrows, but it's built to effortlessly haul a camper or a trailer filled with livestock. Hey sports car fans, hold on to your hats. This family with a snow-white Corvette C8 is gearing up to get messy with paint, but don't worry, it's all for a good cause, publicity that is. Remember an ad of the blender toothpaste tested on an egg? Meet Lumar film, which does a similar thing to your car body. It shields the paint from all sorts of trouble, bird droppings, salt. With this film, spilled paint just slides off, making cleanup a breeze. Plus Lumar Valor film goes the extra mile as it's 25% more resistant to pollutants than other options. It's tough enough to handle acid rain and even has self-healing powers. Just let the sun or the engine heat those scratches. If you're standing up, you might want to sit for this one. Those wheel mounts over there are going for $670 each. Yes, they come with a strap. And yes, they fit wheels up to 1 meter in diameter and 36 centimeters wide, plus cleverly designed mounting holes allow you to place them anywhere on the cargo bed of your pickup truck. But let's put things into perspective. In 2021, Alibaba offered a mini electric car starting from just $100, and guess what? It accelerates up to 40 kilometers per hour. Our journey into innovation leads us to the Rough Country Workshop. This controller simplifies the management of lights, ventilation, compressors and more all in one place. Straight from the factory, its 8 buttons come unlabeled, leaving it up to the buyer to customize them with a set of 50 stickers. Thanks to the IP65 protection, it's unaffected by water jets and dust clouds. Adjust the brightness of the RGB backlight to your liking and it'll automatically power off when the battery voltage is low. Installing Rough Country takes about 3 to 4 hours and you won't need to cut or drill anything, so no need for a workshop visit. The controller comes at a price of $200. A few years back, Canoo developed an electric pickup truck for the U.S. Department of Defense. This move served 2 purposes. Firstly, they added a significant client to their portfolio. Secondly, they gathered valuable test data to enhance its pickup truck technology further into the American Bulldog. Canoo's latest creation now available for pre-order. While you gather $100 for the down payment, let's dive into its specs. The American Bulldog boasts a range of over 320 kilometers on a single charge and can haul up to 816 kilograms of cargo. It offers both 4-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive options along with features like removable sides lights, cargo mounts and more. Darth Sidious, Darth Maud and Dart Solar, which of these 3 chose the light side of the Force? In fanfiction anything can happen, but in today's video it's all about the solar array Dart Solar, weighing less than 75 kilograms. It easily fits on a car's roof rack. With about 32 kilometers of extra mileage in 5 hours, it's quite handy. The standard Dart Solar features 9 panels, each with 175 watts, built to withstand rain, snow and rough roads. The sun has never sparked so much joy, according to its creator. Currently in beta, Dart Solar will cost around $4,000. What can you come up with to get a % for a car cover? Let's ask the creators of Easy Cover. Their cover can completely encase your car in just 18 seconds. Made of polyester taffeta with a double coating, it repels water and keeps prying eyes away, plus it's fireproof, wrinkle-free, doesn't shrink or accumulate electrostatic charge and protects your car's paint from UV radiation. No wonder taffeta is used in tents and umbrellas, and thanks to the clever capsule design, handling the cover is a breeze. Even a fancy lady in heels and a dress can manage it without getting dirty. In today's video we're talking about the Nuna REVV, a child seat that's setting a new standard. It looks just as sleek as racing seats, but offers top-notch safety features, 5-point seat belts, side impact protection and 5 tilt positions on each side. Plus, it boasts a sturdy steel frame that can support children up to 18 kilograms, with some models even featuring width adjustment. And that's not all, it also includes energy-absorbing EPP foam, a rotation system and 2 cup holders. With all these features, it's no surprise that this seat comes with a price tag of $650. Picture this, you're having your breakfast scrolling through social media, when suddenly you feel the need to load your buggy onto a pickup truck. No sweat, you can easily do it with Ramtech aluminum ramps. Even the standard model can handle vehicles up to 191 centimeters wide and weighing up to 499 kilograms. Need something sturdier? The steel version can hold up to 726 kilograms. Want some extras? You can purchase a kit with 4 ratchet straps, parking lights, a section for ATVs and more. Ramtech ramps are made to order, and take about 8 weeks to deliver. If this method seems a bit too extreme, don't worry, the company also offers classic trailers, starting with entry-level aluminum and single-axle versions. These trailers can handle up to 1,247 kilograms. Prices for both trailers and ramps start at $3,100. Tesla's glass roof is a sleek feature, that is until you experience your first long parking session under the scorching summer sun. After a couple of hours, the interior feels like a sauna. You might even consider swapping the seats for wooden benches. Luckily there's a solution, protective inserts. It's $70. They're quite affordable, especially considering the magnetic fastening, which allows you to easily attach and then remove them in seconds. The design seamlessly blends with the car's aesthetics, giving it a factory-fitted look, and on overcast days, simply fold the insert up and stow it in the truck. Completing our selection, we have these snow chains, perfect for navigating snowy or muddy routes, as well as loose terrain and steep inclines. There's a wide range of options available. For instance, a standard set of 4 stock wrap chains is suitable for cars weighing up to 1.5 tons and fits tire sizes from 155/65 to 220/45. Each kit includes gloves and a hook for easy installation, plus, some of these chains come with a tied-down strap that can support over 3 tons with ease.